Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can flip this dimension text. As you can see, once we created the dimensions, we stumbled upon this problem of this dimension number is not as readable as it is this horizontal one. We want to make it aligned to the line that is measuring. How we can do that? It's kind of easy, and probably we did it before, or you did it before once we created the dimensions. First of all, I want to write down dim. In dim command we have dimensions, dim style, dim lean, and all of the dimensions, but we want to go with the second one, the dim style. Once you click on the dim style, you can pick from the already active styles, but make sure that you are using the style that created these dimensions. In my option, or in my case, it's a standard one. And we want to click on modify. In modify, we have lines, symbols and arrow, text, and more. We want to stay with text. And as you probably thought, we want to go with text alignment. It's option, I would say a third option in there. And we want to make sure it's aligned with dimension line. Quite easy, nothing too hard about it. We want to go with align with dimension line. We hit OK, and then we close it. As you can see, straight away it's aligned. Obviously, right now you have to maybe move your head towards the left, so you exactly see what we're doing here. And yeah, but it actually doesn't make sense. You are going to use those options and you want to go around the lines and just want to like change them, you know, from left to right, and then this one is preferred. If you are not going to change the look on the project, okay, this works. It can stay the way it was before, but I strongly recommend you using it like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.